Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Spotify on Linux. So the best way to install Spotify on Linux is to open the browser and go to the official Spotify site to see the instruction of how to do it. So we will open the Firefox for me and we will go to the official Spotify site. So I will type in Spotify for Linux and press enter. Right here we have the official site Spotify and Spotify for Linux. I will open it, and right there we have the instruction: install on Ubuntu or install via command line. We will use the second option, and here we have two sections: snap or Debian/Ubuntu. I will use the second one, Debian/Ubuntu. Maybe it looks a little bit complicated, but I will show you how to do it. And of course we have to open our terminal because we have comments to copy. So I will open terminal. I will make it a little bit bigger, and right now we have the first comment with curl. This comment is very important to know that if I will paste it right here, it will not work because the curl is not installed by default on the Linux, on every Linux distribution basically. So we have to install it right now. So how to do it? You have two commands right there: sudo apt install curl or sudo snap install curl. We can do it like this. So sudo apt install curl and press enter. 1, 2, 3 is my password. It's not very important, but we have to type it in. And again we have it installed, and right now we can again paste our comment. So we can paste it. As you can see, right now it worked. And we have the second comment with echo. Echo is a built-in command on Linux, so we don't have to install anything for it. As you can see, our repository has been created, and right now the only thing we need to do is to install the Spotify client. So we'll copy it with Ctrl+C and paste it. So sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get install Spotify client. We'll press enter, and now we have to wait. It shouldn't take a lot of time. We can close the browser because we will not need it anymore. As you can see, we have downloading, so right here, unpacking Spotify, setting up Spotify, so we are at the end, and as you can see it is finished. And right now we can open our Spotify when we go into show apps, and right here we have the Spotify icon. We can press on it, and as you can see, we can log into our account, we can scan code to log in, we can do whatever we want, and this is basically how you can install Spotify on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.